Okay, good evening, friends. Uh, in last lecture, we had seen some basic of differentiation. We had seen algebraic, exponential, logarithmic functions. Now remaining is only composite function of trigonometric function. Composite function of trigonometric function. Now derivative of sine is a cos. That's why derivative of sine of function f of x. What we get? Derivative of sine is cos f of x. Again, derivative of f of x is f dash of x. For example, if I take sine log x, what we get? Derivative of sine log x is the cos log x. Again, log x is derivative 1 upon x. Okay, similar way, derivative of cos of f of x is equal to minus sine f of x. We'll write here in front. Derivative of sine f of x is finished. Cos f of x is equal to minus sine of f of x into f dash of x. Now derivative of sine cos finish, then tan f of x is equal to sec square f of x into f dash of x, and derivative of cot f of x similarly minus cosec square f of x into f dash of x. Now derivative of sec f of x, sec some function of others, that is equal to sec x into tan x, sec x into tan x. Again derivative of f of x is f dash of x. Now derivative of cosec f of x is equal to minus cosec f of x into cot f of x into f dash of x. Okay, whenever the trigonometric function starting with the c, its derivative will come minus. It is a simple way to remember this. Whenever a trigonometric function having start with the c, cos, cosec and cot, it has the derivative in negative way. Okay, derivative of sine is a cos. Again derivative of f of x is f dash of x. Derivative of tan cos is minus sine, tan is sec square, cot is minus cosec square, sec x is sec x into tan x, cosec is equal to minus cosec into cot. We already done this in the last lecture. Now we are going to move for exercise 2.1. Now we are actually starting the syllabus. We are going to see 2.1, exercise 2.1. First one question is differentiate following with respect to x. 2.1 question 1, differentiate following with respect to x. Differentiate following with respect to x. Now first one is y is equal to, we write y, we assume that as the function is y equal to x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. Simple is differentiating with respect to x. We have to write here differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube minus 2x minus 1 bracket raised to 5, that is f of x raised to n is n into f of x raised to n minus 1. Again derivative of x cube minus 2x minus 1, would we get 5 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 into 3x square. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. 2 into x derivative 1, constant derivative 0. Now what we get? 5 into 3x square minus 2, this term, again x cube minus 2x minus 1 bracket raised to 4. First comes here n into x raised to n minus 1, again derivative of the function, we get a solution. Now second one is y is equal to 2x raised to 3 by 2. Take one question at a time. Second one, y is equal to 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5 bracket raised to 5 by 2. Now again what we are going to do, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. what we get? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of given function raised to n. What we get here? F of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. We can do it orally here. N into function raised to n minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 1. Again derivative 2. Derivative of x raised to 3 by 2 is a 3 by 2. X raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 is half. Minus 3, 4 by 3. X raised to 4 by 3 minus 1 is 1 by 3. Constant is 0. Now bracket completed. 5 by 2 into bracket. It comes here. 3x raised to half minus 4x raised to 1 by 3. Again given bracket 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5 bracket raised to 3 by 2. The required answer. Okay. Again the same funda, n into x raised to n minus 1. Again derivative of the function. We get a solution. Okay. Now third one is only a function matters, nothing else. Now question number 3. In question 1 there is a third question. What do we get here? Under root y is equal to under root x square plus 4x minus 7. X square plus 4x minus 7. What we get here? Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is exactly equal to d by dx of root of x square plus 4x minus 7. Now we know that derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x square plus 4x minus 7. Again derivative of the function inside a root is 4x square, x square plus 4x minus 7. What we get here? 1 upon 2 root x square plus 4x minus 7 into derivative of x square is 2x, 4 into 1, derivative of constant is 0. Therefore we take 2 outside, x plus 2 upon 2 times under root x square plus 4x minus 7. We cancel the 2, we get a final answer. See here, derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root. Again derivative of the function inside a root. We find out the derivative x. Derivative of x square is 2x, 4x the derivative 1 and constant is a 0. And last, no, not the fourth one, root of x square plus under root x square plus 1. Root of x square plus under root x square plus 1. Fourth one is y is equal to under root x square, again under root x square plus 1. Now instead of differentiating with respect to x, I will use the term differentiating with respect to x. But in the board exams you have to write completely. Okay, don't use the shortcut like this. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of under root of x square plus under root x square plus 1. What we get? Derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root x square plus under root x square plus 1. Again derivative of x square plus under root x square plus 1. Now what we get? 1 upon 2 root under root x square plus under root x square plus 1. Now derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root x square plus 1. Again derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x plus 0. See this step. Derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root. Again derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root. Again derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of constant is 0. Now 2 get cancelled here. Okay, easily. Now derivative of x square is 2x, root again 2. Now what we get? 1 upon 2 root x square plus under root x square plus 1 into bracket 2x plus x upon under root x square plus 1 is the required solution. Okay, we can check it again. Derivative of y is equal to x square plus root x square, root of x square plus under root x square plus 1. They are having the double root. Now derivative of first root is 1 upon 2 root, and again derivative of the function inside a root. Derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root. Again derivative of the function inside a root. Simplified it, we get a final answer. Now question number 5 is there? No. We go for the question number 2. Question 2, again the same heading for all the questions in a differentiation. Differentiate following with respect to x or find dy by dx. The same heading. Okay. Now in exercise 2, Second, here they are having total 18 questions are there. First one, y is equal to cos of x square plus a square. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos of x square plus a square. Derivative of cos of x square plus a square, that is derivative of cos is minus sine x square plus a square, again derivative of x square plus a square. What we get here? Derivative of cos is minus sine, again derivative of x square plus a square, minus sine x square plus a square. Derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of constant is 0. What we get? Minus 2x into sine of x square plus a square. Okay, the first question is these are the very easy questions made for the practice. Okay, derivative of cos is minus sine, again derivative of the function angle. It is not only cos x, it is having the cos of x square plus a square. Then we are going to find out the derivative of this angle also, x square plus a square is a 2x plus derivative of constant is 0. That means minus 2x sine of x square plus a square. Now second one, root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5, y is equal to under root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of under root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Okay, plus 5. Again, derivative of function inside a root is e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. What we get here? 1 upon 2 under root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Again, derivative of 3x plus 2 is 3. Derivative of e raised to x is again e raised to x. Same way, derivative of e raised to x is again e raised to x. Derivative of the function at the power or at the index is 3 into 1, but plus derivative of constant is 0. Again, derivative of constant is 0. That means 3 times e raised to 3x plus 2 divided by 2 under root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. E raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Now, next one, third one is log of tan x by 2. Third question is log of tan x by 2. We'll go for the third question. Y is equal to log of tan x by 2. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of tan x by 2. Okay, what is derivative of log is 1 by x. Now what we get? 1 upon tan x by 2, again derivative of tan x by 2. Okay, now 1 upon tan x by 2, derivative of tan is sec square x by 2. Again, derivative of angle is x by 2. What we get? Tan is 1 upon sine x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Sec square is 1 upon cos square x by 2. Derivative of x is 1 upon 2 as it is. Here cos and square get cancelled. Now see here, 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2. That means 1 upon 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. What we get? Sine 2 times x by 2, 2 to get cancelled, 1 upon sine x. Means it is a derivative. Log tan x by 2 is only cosec x. We can write it as a cosec x. Check here, derivative of log 1 upon and derivative of tan again sec square x and angle x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. Okay, simple calculations are there. Now fourth one, root of tan root x. Fourth one is under root of tan root x. Fourth one question is y is equal to under root of tan root x. Now we can see here, we write from here, differentiating with respect to x, what do we get? Dy by dx is equal to derivative of under root of tan root x. Now derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root 1 upon 2 root tan root x, again derivative of tan root x. What we get? 1 upon 2 root tan root x, and derivative of tan root x is sec square root x, derivative of root x Okay, angle derivative. Sec square root x upon 2 root tan root x. Again, derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. In last, we can write the answer sec square root x, 2 to the 4 root x under root tan root x. Okay, now we'll go for the next question. Question number 5. These are the very simple one. Okay. Okay, question 3. Second. 5.1 is the cot cube of log x cube. The cot cube of log x cube. Fifth one. Y is equal to cot cube of log x cube. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, what we get? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cot cube of log x cube. Now see here, derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1, derivative of log x cube, again derivative of cot of log x cube, derivative of function f of x raised to n is n into f of x raised to n minus 1, again derivative of f of x is f dash of x. What is the function? Cot of log x cube. Now 3 times cot square log x cube. Derivative of cot is minus cosec square of log x cube, again derivative of log of x cube. Now plus minus minus 3 cot square of log x cube, cosec square of log x cube. Derivative of log x cube is 1 by x cube, again derivative of x cube is the 3x square. Now we can cut this cube and square. Now what we get? 3 3s are minus 9 upon x cot square of log x cube into cosec square of log x cube. Now see here, what we are going to first, derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1, again derivative of cot is minus cosec square, again derivative of log is 1 by x, and derivative of x cube is the 3x square, step by step. Now next one is sixth one, sine cube x plus 5, 5 raised to sine cube x plus 5. Question number 6th. Question number 6th is y is equal to 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3 something. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Derivative of a raised to f of x is again same, sine cube x plus 3 log 5, again derivative of sine cube x plus 3. 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3 is equal is derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x log a, again derivative of the function. Now 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3 log 5, derivative of sine cube, derivative of f of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Now here get 3 sine square x, derivative of sine x is again cos x, derivative of constant is 0. 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3 log 5, again 3 sine square x into cos x. This is the required answer. Okay, now we'll go for question number which question? Question number 7. Cosec of root cos x. Y is equal to cosec of root cos x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cosec of root cos x. Derivative of cosec is minus cosec into cot. Derivative of cosec is minus cosec into cot, again derivative of root cos x. Okay, now as it is minus cosec x, cosec of root cos x into cot of root cos x. Derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root cos x. Again, derivative of cos is minus sin x. Okay, minus minus plus sin x upon 2 root cos x into cosec root cos x into cot of root cos x. Okay, into cot of root cos x. Okay, now we'll go for the next one. Log of cos x cube minus 5. Log of cos x cube, where it is gone? Log of cos x cube minus 5, question number 8. Y is equal to log of cos x cube minus 5. In this video, we'll complete this first second question. They're having only 18 questions are there. We're going to complete this. In the next video, we'll complete the exercise. Okay. Now, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. What we get here? dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of cos x cube minus 5. What is the derivative of log? Is 1 upon cos x cube minus 5. Again, derivative of cos is minus sin x cube minus 5. Again, derivative of x cube minus 5 is a 3x square minus 0. Therefore, minus sin upon cos is a tan